Hey guys, I'm Brooke, so yeah. Alright, so today I'm gonna make some spaghetti and you're gonna learn how to from me. Yes! Hello YouTube! Look at these ingredients. This is what you will need for spaghetti. A tomato, some olive oil, some Italian seasoning, butter, and noodles. Alright.
Alright, so we cut the tomato. I have a bowl. Yes, this is probably not the proper way to cut things safely, but the point is to cut the tomato and avoid your fingers. This is the college student way to do it. You have a cut tomato! Olive oil. Might be more, might be less of what you need, but you figure it out throughout the whole experience. Oil kind of go in and coat this just a little bit. Alright, and then let it kind of like get a few bubbles, and then alright, so you see how it's kind of bubbling? Alright, now watch. Okay, it's actually not that scary. Add your Italian seasoning. Might want to put more in it. I'll look to you. This is optional for the actual sauce, but you can put a little garlic in there. Garlic powder or actual garlic. I put a little more Italian seasoning. Stir it around. Because I like butter. You do not have to do it. This is just 2 slices of butter. It's just going to enrich the sauce. Ta-da! Now we wait a little bit, so you can stop.
Yay!
You end the food in.
Alright guys, so I just made some spaghetti and you guys watch me. Alright, so here is a review from 2 people who ate the spaghetti.
Sorry, I forgot.
It was awesome.
Okay, it was seriously amazing.
I wish I had seconds.
It was great. I also wanted more, but we didn't get much more because we had to share.
Between like 5-6 people, was it?
Yeah. But it was good what little I got. Do the thing, guys. Eat it. Eat it.
Good food.
Or make it, or yeah.
Do that, yeah.
17
out of 3 stars.
What happened to 5 stars?
5 stars are dumb.
You like 3?
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
3 out
guys.
of 10 stars.
I will see you guys tomorrow with some random organizational tips because that was requested. For garlic bread, you will need garlic powder. Might want to add some Italian seasoning to that too. Some bread, any kind of bread will work. Some olive oil, and optional butter if you